Welcome to Featherman Tutorial 1.1, Eviscerating with Shackles. We highly recommend using shackles because they are cleaner, faster, back-friendly, and make use of gravity. In this system used by Valley View Poultry in Bloomfield, Iowa, a pneumatic tool has already made 5 cuts, removing the legs and head, most of the tail, and a cut through the back of the neck, severing the cervical vertebra. We pick up the action with an operator dedicated to neck removal. Many producers do not do this step, but the pneumatic cutters make it easy. After removing the tail, she pulls down the neck to first sever the trachea and esophagus. Notice the cut is made as high up toward the breast as possible. A second cut through the skin frees the neck from the body. Squeezing the skin in her hand bulges the neck up for an easy superficial cut of the skin, and then she pops the neck out, saves it, discards the skin and upper trachea and esophagus. This technique has the advantage of making a nicer looking and easier bagging bird without the neck and putting a prepared neck in with the giblets. It also eliminates the task of freeing up the craw. The disadvantages are the expense and safety hazard of an automatic cutter, losing the neck handle for picking the birds up, and reducing total weight for those selling by the pound. The eviscerator turns the bird belly up and head away from her. Notice the angle of the bird, as this is critical to avoid severing the intestines with the cuts made along the ribs. She cuts along the right side from high up along the ribs all the way to under the vent, then makes an identical cut on the other side. She then allows the bird to drop and spin half a turn. She grabs the skin above the vent and cuts between the legs to free the entire patch of skin around the vent. She flips that off to the side, sheathes her knife, tips the bird up to use gravity, and enters the cavity to remove the entrails. She hangs those on the viscera hook for the inspector. Let's watch the process one more time in slow motion from the operator's right side. She makes the deep cut. Notice the angle of the chicken. The first cut goes all the way under the vent. The second cut mirrors the first and meets the first. Notice the thumb position and the grip of the right hand to steady the carcass as she pulls the flap up with the intestines attached, clears the flap for the cut that's just cutting skin. Then she will flip the flap of skin with the intestines attached, rotate the bird, tilt the bird back up so that gravity pulls the intestines toward her. She can get her fingers easily behind them and clear the intestines out. Lung removal will be at a later time in the line.